I'm pretty sure that most of you have seen the graphic here. This is the IEC 61300 3.35 characterization of an end face, where you have a core, cladding, sometimes an adhesive zone is included, and then your contact zone. Other standards bodies, IEEE, TIA, SAE, all use the same characterization. So there is primary and secondary contamination, or at least the potential, on all fiber optic connector surfaces. As well, this contamination may extend to high-speed copper. In some industry segments, there's actually the belief that one fiber optic transmission is more important than the other. The reality is that the transmission fiber, core, it doesn't care what's the connector type. All of these connections are mission critical. What the standards don't consider, what isn't addressed, are the adapter shells and the alignment sleeves. These sectors of the connector are best cleaned with precision swab tools. As you see in the overview, a probe tool simply doesn't have the dimensions, the width, to clean the alignment sleeve. So swab tools are an important part of the contemporary toolbox.